What are you doing? What are you doing? Nag-unsa ka?
Let's break it down. What? Nag-unsa. Nag-unsa. Nag is a suffix attached to a root verb, indicates progressive verb form. This is used in past or present tense. Naga is the formal form of this, nag, usually used in the present tense. Ga is the short form, usually used in informal settings. You, ka, ka. Let's listen one more time.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Nag-unsa ka?
It's your turn to try. Super easy and useful. Don't forget to like and comment. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. See you next Friday. Bye.